Everybody,
Hey!
it's John and Nan again. We just want to thank everyone again for the incredible support we've received. Now, some people have asked us to give a brief history of
Synopsis.
People who are new to the campaign to know what the situation is. So, here's a little history, a little story. About 16 years ago in November, we moved into this apartment on the Lower East Side.
Fabulous apartment.
Incredible, beautiful neighborhood. We had a
6
theater across the street, and the New York Fringe Festival was just starting, and this was our
Eastern windows.
this was our apartment, and we signed a lease, which we later found out about 6 years ago is illegal. We live in basically it's a low income co-op. It's a HDFC is what they call it. Every unit in this building has to be owner occupied. This is a way that the New York City government set up about 25 years ago to keep low income people in the city. Not just artists, but low income people. So when we realized this, we went to the board and started to just told them what was going on. We realized what was going on. And we began negotiations for our discussions for our shares. We should be paying maintenance. We should have shares in this place. Those negotiations didn't go well, and then the building manager was actually arrested for charges not having to do with this building, but having to do with other buildings. So that sort of stopped that process. We kept going to the board. We kept asking for these negotiations for our shares. And about 2 years ago, under advice for counsel, we stopped paying rent.
Because they were threatening to evict us.
And then the eviction proceedings began. Twice now, with your support and with some incredibly great legal advice, we've won in housing court. Now, we could go back to housing court. We could be in housing court forever. Because they don't have a case, and we would sit here not paying rent.
To win.
And basically just this constant drain. So instead, what we decided to do, again with great legal advice, is to take it to Supreme Court. We've got our date in Supreme Court, September 18th, to finally resolve this issue. So that's the whole large situation. Basically, we want to stay here and continue working in New York. This is a neighborhood that we've kind of helped build. And the important thing, if you don't know John and Nan, the important thing is that this is not a unique situation at all. This is, if we win...
There's been many cases.
But they've never gone to court. So this would be a precedent-setting win if we win this, which we believe we will on September 18th. And this could help people all across New York City, not just artists, but low-income people. So if you know John and Nan, you know what we've done, then again, thank you for your support. If you don't, this is a larger issue that we're confident that we're going to win. So again, thank you guys so much for the donations. We couldn't be more appreciative. Keep spreading the word. Okay? Thanks. That's John and Nan, and we are now out. Bye.
No, now we're out.